So we've had a lot of questions about how to properly clean electronics without damaging them. And I'll go through a few different things and show you some do's and don'ts. Kind of the easiest way to clean it is to use a cloth like these Clorox wipes here. You just want to make sure that they're not dripping at all, they're not sopping wet. And on a keyboard, you just run it across your keyboard like this, get it all wiped off, and you'll see that it's all wet. Your wireless mouse, same thing. Wireless keyboard, or mouse, same thing. Wireless microphone, you can wipe all of this off. You want to be really gentle with the cable because they're pretty delicate, and just run your cleaning cloth along the cable and then wipe off the head of the microphone. We've removed the foam cover on the microphone so that this bit can all be cleaned. Another thing you can use is a Lysol spray can like this. You do not want to spray it into any of the equipment. You want to spray it onto the cleaning cloth like this, just a little bit, and then wipe the same way. The same with any type of spray. You do not want to spray it into the equipment at all. You want to lightly spray it onto the cloth and then wipe it on. You do not want any drips or fluids getting into any of the electronics. As far as a laptop, it's always recommended to shut your laptop completely, power it off, and then wipe it with a cloth like this, and then let it completely dry before you turn it back on. If you think you have accidentally gotten any fluids into your electronic device, make sure that you leave it turned off and let it completely dry before you turn it back on. If you have any other questions, please contact the help desk. Thank you.